Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to today's video in which we will be stepping into the world of luxury high fashion. So for you, what brand best brings to mind images of luxury lifestyle? Of course, there are a few you could choose from, but you'll have a tough job naming one classier than Hermes. And that's because anything made by this Paris-based fashion label isn't just an object of beauty, but an indicator of the owner's fashion sense, impeccable taste, and wealth. The Birkin bag is arguably the most famous and coveted luxury handbag on the market. And it isn't the kind of piece that you can just go up and pick up in a store or order online. Birkins have a starting price of around $9,000 and sometimes they climb up into the six figures. Until recently, if you wanted to order a Birkin bag, you would have had to put your name on a long waiting list, sometimes running into the years. But recently, Hermes has made themselves even more exclusive, getting rid of the waiting list, and now only VIP clients can place orders on Birkins. Also, not all stores have the opportunity to display Birkin bags, and the waiting list seems to be endless. And it seems that in addition to having plenty of money, you'll also need a fortune to get a chance to buy the bag in the store. And if you get lucky, the staff selling you your dream Birkin bag is a whole different story. You also can't buy the Birkin or Kelly or most of its more iconic styles online. So if you want a Birkin or a Constance, for example, and you live in Biloxi, Mississippi, you will need to drive to Atlanta, Georgia, or Houston, Texas to buy a bag from Hermes. But there are no waiting lists and everything is available online or walking into the store or in their Instagram account when you buy from Consign of the Times in Miami Beach, Florida. This boutique is undoubtedly the United States' #1 luxury consignment boutique with the biggest selection of authentic Hermes bags. Now let's have some fun and see some of the chicest Hermes bags that you can buy right now. Hello everyone, and welcome back to today's vlog. We are starting the vlog, as you can see, in my favorite store in the entire world. If you have been in this channel for a long time, you've seen me here before, and today we are in the search of the perfect Hermes bag. I've been wanting an Hermes bag for a really long time, and this is the place where I know has one of the biggest selection of Hermes bags in the rarest colors, and I can always just be so confident that anything I've ever gotten from this store, it's always authentic, it's beautiful, it's in perfect conditions, and it's just, this is my happy time. So let's just jump right into the video. As you guys know, this is my favorite color in the entire world, and of course I walk in and what do I see? It's so beautiful, this baby blue color. This Birkin is just simply absolutely stunning, and we are gonna open it up because I see that it has everything. Is literally, this bag is like brand new right now. Another bag that I love the color because it's so fun is this hot fuchsia pink. I mean, you guys, look at this bag. And this one actually inside, so this is what the bag is like inside. It has all the paperwork. Honestly, the color is beautiful. Like, this bag is literally brand new. It has no signs of wear at all. Perfect handle. I really love how they has this little twilly here. Oh my god, look at this summer neon yellow Birkin. I am over the moon with this. It's just such a fun color. So this is what it looks like. I really like this color. I find that maybe for, wow, this color just wins my heart. My most favorite color in the world is definitely this baby blue, and it just matches perfectly even with what I'm wearing right now. Look at this. Wow. This pink is kind of hard to resist, especially if you're like a super girly girl. Wow. What do you guys think? What do you... All right, I'm gonna keep on trying on more colors and see how I feel. Here's another color I think is super fun, and it's this orange. It's like a bright orange in the lighter color side, and this one comes with this little twilly. It still has the little stickers from when it was new. Literally, what a dream. Imagine wearing this bag with like dressed in denim. Such a beautiful, fun color. Obviously, I think that it does really scream summer and happiness, and it's just like, wow. Oh, here's the look. I totally picture myself with this bag somewhere in Capri or like in the south in Italy. I am just floored. Gorgeous. Here's a color that is super in right now, and it's this cobalt blue. I know that a lot of people love this color blue, and this is why I wanted to show this to you. This bag is just gorgeous. It shows just a tiny little sign of wear there, but other than that, it's just absolutely stunning. I think this is nicer because I don't have to hold the camera and then I can go faster. This one, this color. Now I'm going to tell you something. Still up to now, my favorite one is this blue one. Look at this. Oh my god. And the pink one, I'm not going to lie. These two are like so debating between these two. Look at this beautifulness. It's just so gorgeous. The first neutral color one is this caramel color one. This is like a perfect camel. I can just imagine what this looks like with anything, denim, white, black, all the beige neutral colors. Honestly, it's just such a timeless color. This comes with this little Hermes horse. Oh Lord, this bag is so beautiful. Brand new, actually. Zero signs of wear. So pretty. This is what I'm thinking. I wear a lot of white, and I think that this with white crisp shirts and jeans must look absolutely stunning. Oh look, this is an Hermes hat. Okay, let's try this on. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is like such a winter hat though, you know? I can totally see myself living in London and wearing this hat non-stop because it's always raining and humid. Look at this hat, it's such a dream. I can see myself wearing this hat a lot if you live like in places like London or New York where it snows, it's cold, it might rain sometimes, and you're just pulling all that whole black look. Look at it. I love, woohoo, this is so cool. Let me see, how much is this hat? This is $850. Next in the neutrals that I love, this two-toned one, and it has camel, and this is fabric. It has fabric, and I think the important thing is that it has leather on the corners. That way this never touches the table. And as you can see, it still has the sticker from the store from when it was it has all the stickers on. So this bag is literally brand new. This is what I love about coming here. So pretty. Next, this bag is just such a beautiful dream. This is like this is suede, and it's like in a, you know, tan camel color, and then this is like a dark red orange. Oh my god, I love this bag. I could just so see myself wearing this bag all throughout the fall. And it has the hardware is the yellow hardware. Next, in the neutral colors, you have this gray, which is just like such a perfect neutral color that really goes with absolutely everything. Love the twilly detail, love it. What I'm going to show you next is also a neutral color, but it's a Kelly. Look at this, another beautiful gray. So the difference between Kelly and Birkins mainly is that the Kelly only has one handle and the Birkin has two handles. The Birkin is obviously bigger and it's heavier than the Kelly. And the Kelly also has a strap, which is very convenient for whenever you just want to sling your bag in your shoulders. You really can't do that with the Birkin. You always have to carry it with the handles. So depends really what your style is and what you want to go for, what you want the bag for. So here we have two options. I love them both equally. They are both in like these. This one is more of like a grayish with a hint of beige in it, but it's still so gorgeous. Here's another Kelly I'm loving, and this one is a lot smaller. This one is smaller than the previous one, and it's like in this red. It's a deep red, but it has hints of orange in it, so it makes it like a really vibrant, fun, timeless red. Look at it. I want you to understand the sizes. So here we have two Kellys in two completely different sizes. I wanted to dive a little deeper and explain to you why an Hermes bag is so expensive and why it's such a rare piece. One is the materials. Hermes uses only natural materials, the highest grade leathers. They have a team of leather sourcers that literally fly around the world finding the finest leathers. Second, its durability. An Hermes item is definitely beautiful, but it's just not a decoration. And besides the glamour, the bags do serve a purpose. And as you can expect, and you can rely on anything Hermes makes, you will not be able to break it with everyday wear. For example, other leather bags are sewn together by hand using a thread per bag. This method makes the handbag stronger than anything created by a sewing machine, meaning that your Hermes bag won't fall apart, and the precious metals on the bag, just like the clasps, are usually made of gold or palladium, which means that it's also guaranteed to keep its shine, and these materials do not tarnish. Palladium is considered a precious silvery metal that it's even more expensive than gold. So it's a bag that is meant to not only look beautiful, but be highly usable and will last you forever. And the best thing is that whenever you want to sell it, it does hold its price. Thank you for coming and spending some time with me today. I hope you had fun shopping with me. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing to my channel. I send you a big kiss and I see you next time. Bye.